Isang nakakalungkot na pamamaalam ang naging mensahe ng TGIS family para sa namayapang si Red Sternberg kung saan inaalaala nila ang mga masasayang sandali na kasama nila ito. Ilan sa mga nagbigay ng mensahe ng pasasalamat at pamamaalam ang kanyang pamilya mula sa TGIS. Narito ang video, panoorin natin.
Leave ka lang, ayun yung nagawa na namin lahat.
Nagawa niyo talaga? Oo. Nagawa niyo ba?
Check ka ano. Sa akin ka maniwala.
It's recorded on Facebook. God is my witness.
Hindi ako prepared. Kaya hiling mo loko. Lumas ka na dyan. No, Ren, I guess everything I'm going to say is like obvious to you guys. Mahilig siyang mang-asar. Ako yata yung palagi niyang inaasar. Minsan nainggit ako sa relationship niya with the boys kasi parang barkada sila. Tapos ako yung napipili niyang asarin lagi. So, alaskador, nakakatawa, tsaka malalim. Yun yung weird sa kanya. Parang on the surface, I think when Kuya Bob said na introvert siya, sobrang niniwala ko. Kasi nakita ko yun sa time namin together. Na parang he looks so jolly on the outside and like super friendly. But in reality, pinipili niya lang talaga yung mga taong magiging kaibigan niya at mahal niya. So, ayun, pero isa siya sa mga nakatrabaho na matagal, kaya nga yata ako yung napili niyang asarin kasi namin projects together. So, and I find it as, yun, Carino Bertado, ganun siya sa akin. And many times, as I got older and we drifted apart, I mean, like, he has his life, of course, we have our lives here. Naisip ko na, sayang no, sana nakilala ko, parang I can have more time with Red again. Kasi how he was as a person before. Sobrang bata ko pa na hindi ko fully na-appreciate kung sino siya. And yun, sana, nilook forward ko sana yun. This coming year, we were supposed to see each other. I wanted to ask him so many things, like his family, and I bet, like, how he is as a dad, I wanted to know that, na parang alas-kinorder ko siya sa mga anak niya. So yun yung mga things na gusto kong malaman na never ko nang malalaman. And I guess a loss is like that. It will never have like a super happy ending. We can only be hopeful about some things, but a loss is a loss. And we're all sad about it. But I guess all I can really say and share na I'm grateful about is that I'm glad that we got to love Red and that Red got to love us.
Maybe you want to say a few words also before, yeah.
Yeah, if there's one thing that I want to remember about my bro, Red, is that he was the first guy who told me that I should be treated properly, because apparently I was going through something one time and we were shooting something and someone was disrespecting me, and I was like, okay, then figure it out. I was like, no, that's nothing. He's like, no, you don't allow yourself to be treated that way. I'm like, oh, okay. Because I just realized that now that I'm older now, oh yeah, he was the first one who said that. So he's really, he's very sensible. He's very frank. Like when I'm wearing something stupid, he'll really say it. Because aside from TGIS, we would work together in like GMA Love Stories, like guest things, or we would have mall shows, and he's gonna be like, oh sis, what are you wearing? And I'm like,
so, good afternoon to everyone, and to the family, thanks for letting us do this for Red. Honestly, when we found out about it, we couldn't believe it. Actually, said parang, oh, baka prank. Everybody thought it was really a prank until, tawagin mo, normally mabilis siyang sumagot sa Viber. he replies fast sa Viber group namin. And then, when Derek found out that there was silence, nobody could believe it. Because everybody was just looking forward for him to come home. They're going back to our younger days. Red was serious. He was serious with what he had, with what he has, with everything, the relationship, everything. I remember siya yung may pinaka-confidence sa kanila ni Bobby. And siya rin parang tumatay yung kuya nila. Siya yung he was the one serious in his job. Marami siyang nakakaawa in a sense because of his professionalism. He's, if he wants it done, he will do it. And he wants everybody to be on the same page. As much as we were saying that he messes up his lines because of the way he talks, the kids doesn't know what bulol means. Stutter. Because he couldn't pronounce the letter R properly. And may red ang pangalan niya. So,
And then the names of the children.
And the names of the children. So really, mamaya, can you tell us how he calls you? But like that, so he was the best. If you're a girl, he's the best guy friend you could ever have. He'll be there for you. He'll protect you. He'll tell you straight up what's wrong with you, and he will be the one to stand up for you. Wala kami masyadong, we don't have a lot of memories unlike the guys because they were the ones always, having not the showbiz time, but not the working atmosphere time. But he was a great guy. He wasn't perfect. We'd also see him sometimes as nakakainis because he just wants to do what he wants to do, and he's also stubborn. But his stubbornness was always because he wants to be the best. And he had so many plans. I remember sa mga Batang Pasay, he ran.
Yeah.
He ran for office because he wanted to change something. So he has that. He has big plans, not just for himself, but for the people around him and for his community. And I remember he got so upset because he wasn't able to win. But there was something that inside of him that wanted to prove something, that his place could be a better place. And just doing this now with everyone brings back memories. Of course, we would have wanted to meet you with him by your side so that he can be the one to tell us how great you guys are. Because it was just still so private when it comes to you guys. But every time we were able to talk to each other on Viber, when we reconnected, he's just happy that you guys were there. And he was looking forward to bringing you guys here and meeting us and everything. And like Derek said, God has other plans, but all I want you to know is that Red lived a full life. He lived his life the way he wanted to, the best way he can, and he was just always thinking about you guys. So, thank you. Si Bob.
The Batman of the Rock.
Yeah, daughter.